Right now, where we are at Aero India 2009 Yelahanka Air Force Base, let me actually show you some of the aircraft which are on display. And in about less than an hour, these are the aircraft which are going to be carrying out sorties. There is also a public of Bangalore which is expected to, queue up for watching many of these in action. Abhinav Bindra, the Olympian, actually is expected to fly in an F-16. That's the moment, and Air Chief Marshal Fali H. Major addresses a press conference later in the day. Clearly a day of big business, and as we know, it's also a decisive moment for Indian aviation industry. In fact, our defense editor, NDTV's defense editor Nitin Gokhale, who is here, tells us about how even in these times of recession, India is in the spotlight of the avionics industry.
They have come in droves. Top executives of major aircraft manufacturers, companies dealing in high-tech avionics, and even defense PSUs. All of them want the Indian Defense Forces to sample their products and buy them in large quantities. The Aero India 2009 that began in Bangalore on Wednesday is seen as the last chance for aviation majors to push their case. Everyone from test pilots to ambassadors are lobbying hard.
The European nations who are behind it, they are also offering much more than just an aircraft. They are really offering, to begin with, a stakeholdership of India in the development, in the production and in the marketing of the aircraft, which means that we want to expand the 4 Eurofighter nations by a 5th Eurofighter nation, namely India.
The sweeteners will come thick and fast in these recessionary times, since India is set to spend over 1 lakh crore in buying defense equipment over the next 5 years.
Suddenly, India is the flavor of the season, and all the worthies of the aviation industry, both military and civil, are here in full force to woo the Indian defense establishment, which wants to buy 126 fighter jets for the Indian Air Force in the coming years. With Alphonse, at the Bangalore Air Show, Nitin Gokhale for NDTV.